Hi children, today I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject, a new topic, honey. What is honey? Honey is a sweet. Honey is a sweet food made by bees using nectar from flowers. Honey is a sweet food made by bees using nectar from flowers. Honey protection. Bee collect honey as a food source. After collecting nectar, the bees use their honey stomachs to inject and regurgitate the nectar a number of times until it is partially digested. It is then stored in honeycomb cells. After the final regurgitations, the honeycomb is left unsealed. Next, filtration method. Honey processed by very fine filtration under high pressure removes all intransious solids and pollen grains. It is very clean. It has a longer shelf life. So it is prepared by the supermarket trade. These are the filtration method for honey. Next, pasteurized honey reduces moisture levels, destroys yeast cells, liquefies crystals. Next, sterilize the honey and improves its shelf life. It helps in building up hemoglobin content in the blood. It helps in building up hemoglobin content in the blood. It enhances digestion and appetite. Honey has an antiseptic and antibacterial property. It is an antibiotic. Honey has an antiseptic and antibacterial property. It is an antibiotic. So it prevents cough, cold, fever and relieves sore throat. It prevents cough, cold, fever and relieves sore throat. It provides essential amino acids required for the growth of the body. It provides essential amino acids required for the growth of the body. During the winter months, bees live on stored honey and pollen and duster into the ball for warmth. We eat the honey they make for breakfast, but there is so much more to know about this clever insect. This is the insect. Bees are attracted by the colors of flowers, but they cannot see red. Why so hairy? The hair on the bee is responsible for collecting pollen when the bee brushes up against flowers. Flight. The honey bee has two sets of wings and its front wings are larger than the back ones. The sting. This is the sting. When a bee or hive is threatened, a bee pumps venom into its sting. The small also alerts other bees to attack. These are the parts of the bees: eyesight, hair, flight, and the sting. Do you know, children? 1 million flowers are needed to make 1 jar of honey. To produce 1 kilogram of honey, bees visit about 4 million of flowers. 1 bee makes 1.5 teaspoon of honey. Natural pure bee honey could be used for several curative purposes, and it is highly recommended for those with various ailments such as asthma, boils, weight loss, burns, cold, severe cough, gastric ulcer, hypertension, heart related diseases, and libido. Once again, the health benefits of honey: boosts energy, reduces muscle fatigue, regulates your blood sugar, treats cut, heals wounds and cuts, and heals minor burns, good for skin, reduce weight, improve digestion. Beeswax. Beeswax is a natural wax produced in a beehive of honey bees of the genus Apis. It is mainly esters of fatty acids and various long chain alcohols. It is widely used in cosmetic industry. The wax is used in the preparation of shoe polish and manufacture of cold creams, lipsticks, candles, and lubricants. And beeswax is also used in the preparation of ointments and in pharmaceutical industry. Okay students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.